I think we need to remove this code, then uh, it will be run, I hope, but it not running. There is a key issue. Let's solve this. Okay, let's see. But this file, yeah. I think there is a, let's see, let's see. I think there is a .env file. No, there is not .env file. So why it not running? Now this time I am updating the figure.py file. Then I think it will be start. It will be run. Okay, it gives me fig.py file code. We need to copy and paste the code. Then it will be, I think, up to date. We also need to up to date .env file. So why I am paste the up to date code there. Okay, let up to date the fig.py file. We also need to paste this code in the main file. Let paste it here. Let's see. Okay, I paste it. Okay, let run the app. Okay, it run. The app is running. You seeing in your screen, and how it look. You also seeing in your screen, and we need to up to date something. Let's see how many things we need to up to date. We need also up to date. The first is we need to remove the also this system, this login system. We not need this because this is open source. Let's see how ChatGPT tell the remove the login system. Let's see. I not want to um, this login system because this is open source AI teacher learning app. Okay, let's see. And I also want to add OpenCV for live for real live dash cam. It not responding. We need again. We need to again paste the prompt in the chat box. Okay, now this time it responding. Um, let's see how we can remove the login system. Okay, it telling there is some files we need to delete. Okay, we need to remove uh, to we need to remove these things. Then the login system will removed from the app. Okay, we also need to um, paste the OpenCV code in the main app code. Okay, we need to first install the OpenCV. Let's see. Okay, it installing the OpenCV library. Before we continue this video, I have a request for you. Please subscribe my channel and set notification on all, and also like this video, and thanks for watching. Okay, the OpenCV is installed. Now this time we need to delete the files that the ChatGPT tell. Okay. Okay, now I delete all files, all login files. Now this time we need to add the file camera service.py in the folder. Okay. in the service folder. And I also paste the code. Now we need to paste the this code in the main file. Okay, now this time I paste. Okay, let's see. Next we need to add um, in the chat.html. Where is, okay, no, it is already, where it is, okay, there. We need to add this HTML code in the chat.html file. Okay, let's see where we need to paste this code. Now I am up to dating all HTML code. Let's see. Basically, I am asking ChatGPT, give me all HTML code with this code. Okay, okay, it is generating code. It generated the code. Let copy and paste it here, and I paste. Okay, now I up to date the HTML chat code. Let's see this time it how look, but there is still error. There are some codes we need to remove. There are some codes of login systems I remove now this time. Let's see it open or not. Okay, this time it run, but there is a build error. Let's copy this error and go to ChatGPT to solve it. Okay, I am here. Let's see how we can solve how the ChatGPT response. There is a Flask cannot find the video famed. Okay, we need to add this code in the main file. Let copy the. Now I am pasting app root video feed code. Let's see. I hope it will work. Okay, I paste. Let's see. Let's see in the again I am running the app. Let's see. I hope this time it will work. Okay, it's running. Let's see the browser. Let's open it. This is me, you watching me on screen, and like this video. Okay, let's see another pages, but the chat page is not working. Let's see another page. Lesson page is not working. Game page is not working. I take this error. Let's see how ChatGPT solve it. Let's see. I hope it last time, but there is no last time. Always the error is there. Okay, it answer me. Let's see what is the solution for this. The it is also common error ChatGPT telling me. Okay, let's see, but it is not opening everything. So I am writing. Okay, showing the error again. Okay, we need to check the Flask code. Okay, let's check.